trees for another day of action. Got the lads out there in front, cruising along. Rain heavy overnight, so we're in for a bit of action. Should be a huge day. Heading out this morning to one of our great pieces of forest locally to us, and got Barry from Cross Training Videos on board with us. He's going to have a go at the blue bikes, and I'll jump on his red bike for a little while. Yeah, he's going to share his thoughts in a future video, no doubt. Yeah, it should be a great day. 7 of us all up, and perfect conditions. It rained yesterday. Hopefully keeps away today. It gets a bit slippery, but yeah, beyond that, always a top day. Welcome to life between the trees. Yes, sir, Bob. Give him a push, mate. Nope, no, he's got it. You good? You good? On the pipe in third. On the pipe. Yeah. How do you even do that? Straight up the crack with not much throttle. Not much throttle, eh? No, you don't want a wheel spin. Woo! That's the way. Close enough. Nice work, mate. Thank you. See ya! I'll just go over this side for a minute.
Yeah, man.
Call that close enough.
Even past the tree. It doesn't go anywhere.
Doesn't it? A little bit more technical stuff than we normally ride in some of my videos. We do ride this stuff, but quite often I don't video it. Or if I do, the bits I do don't look particularly spectacular. It's nice to get out and do some other stuff. Sherco's perfect mate for here. Fresh golden tyre on the back. Bit of moisture in the earth. Some mates to ride with. What a day.
Before, but that was a while ago, and with the rain it could be pretty shitty.
Okay.
I'll let you know anyway.
If we hear screaming, we'll come looking.
Is everyone used to bulldogging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen some big tall bloke do it on a video.
I was saying it'll be pretty.
That'll do. Fucking oath. Holy crap! Shoulda. Oh. Danger, Will Robinson, danger! You can go straight into the creek, Gary. I went across the log. No. Oh, I don't know. I got on that other second log and yeah, she's right. Sing out if you need a hand.
This could be a fucking silly idea.
Yeah. Nice work.
Silly idea, David.
Nice
Jesus Christ.
No, it's just the beard,
The
mate.
thing you made me fucking do.
I said go down the creek. You need to turn your hearing aid up. Bloody 68-year-olds, eh? So we've had another fantastic day out here, sharing the trails with Barry, showing him around. As is customary, we're not showing his face. It's just nice to get out with the guys, any guys, be they YouTube famous or not. Good bunch of blokes. New guy I haven't met before, Imran, is riding really well, only quite new to riding. He's on a TPI Husky. My old mate Gary, 68-year-old and out every 2 or 3 days in the forest. Now he's retired. Luke, another FIFO worker, and always comes out with us whenever we can. Barry's brother Jeff. Ooh. And local guy Brett. Another mate of ours, and gets out whenever he can. He's obviously got to get out and earn a wage like everyone else, but his time off is spent out here in the trees. Thank you very much again, gentlemen, for coming out with us and enjoying life between the trees with us. I can't imagine there's anyone watches my channel that hasn't watched the Barry's, but yeah, get on Cross Training videos. Yeah, buddy.
Good fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Good work. Cracking day we've had. This is the way to end it. Down this hill we normally use as a hill climb. Shortcut back to lunch. And enjoyed a well-earned feed.